Naghahanap ka ba ng property na semi-complete finish na at nilipatan mo na lang once na ito ay na-turnover at loan takeout na? If yes, don't skip this video. This is MJ! Tara at samahan niyo ako mag-house tour video dito. Ito nga pala si Bian Homes. May carport, fence, and service area for expansion. Modern design 2-story townhouse. May provision for 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and balcony. This actual unit ay merong lot area na 48 square meter and floor area na 53.20 square meter. Maganda, maliwalas at may mataas na ceiling ang unit. Pwede mo na lang dalhin ng gamit at pamilya mo once na ikaw ay move-in na. Available ito sa Pag-ibig at Bank Finance. May maliit na community at gated subdivision. At kung ang nais mo ay may mas malaking plot area at floor area na may provision for 2 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms na may TCP na 2.6 to 3.5 million na may monthly amortization na 13,000 to 20,000 pesos. Direct message me para ma-schedule natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. Again, this is MJ Santos. Thank you. Paalam!